Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you a recipe for mouth-watering restaurant style chicken tikka kebab that you can easily make at home. Trust me, this recipe is a winner and you will be able to achieve perfect chicken tikka kebabs every single time. The key to this recipe lies in using 500 grams of boneless chicken thigh. This cut of meat is exceptionally tender and moist, ensuring that the kebabs remain juicy and tender even when exposed to high heat. To begin, let's start by cutting the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Once we finish cutting the chicken, in a large bowl, combine the chicken with 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, Make sure to mix everything thoroughly, either using your hands or a spoon based on your preference. Once everything is well combined, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate the mixture for at least 1 hour. For even better results, if you have enough time, you can leave it marinating overnight. Next, before placing the chicken onto the skewers, squeeze the juice of 1 large lemon over the marinated chicken and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary, 1 tablespoon of dry mint leaves, and 1 cup of chopped green cilantro. These additional ingredients will enhance the flavors and aroma of the chicken tikka kebabs. Next, preheat your oven to 460 degrees. If you have steel skewers, it is best to use them. However, if you only have wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water beforehand to prevent them from burning. Once you place the marinated chicken pieces onto the skewers and place them on a foil-lined baking tray. Now slide the tray into the preheated oven and cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, flip the skewers and continue cooking for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the chicken to cook thoroughly and develop a delicious golden crust. While the tikka kebabs are sizzling away in the oven, let's prepare some aromatic white rice. Begin by washing 1 cup of basmati rice and set it aside. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, and 1 cinnamon to infuse delightful flavors into the rice. Once the water is boiling, add the soaked rice to the pot and cooked on high heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Now cover the saucepan with a lid and reduce the heat to low. It is important to keep the lid on to trap the steam. Let the rice simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing it to fully absorb the flavors and become fluffy and fragrant. Once everything is ready, serve the flavorful chicken tikka kebabs alongside the aromatic white rice. If you prefer, you can also enjoy them with pita or naan bread or pair them with your favorite side dish. The choice is totally yours. And there you have it. Your yummy and easy chicken tikka kebab is now ready to be enjoyed. I hope you try out this recipe and love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till next time, take care and bye bye.